Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve second part of question number 5 as we have already completed all journal entries as you can see, but second part we will do triple column cash book. As you can see that it has been mentioned, spellings are wrong. Treble, it's not treble, it's triple column cash book. And the chapter which we are related with is cash book. First part of the question, as you can see, all journal entries in previous part we have completed, and now we are going to put these journal entries into cash book. Second important thing is this cash book will include three columns. First time we are making triple column cash book. In previous questions, only two columns were present on debit side, but now a new column of discount has been introduced with which what had happened? Discount, cash and bank. There are now three columns at debit side: discount, cash and bank. There are three columns at credit side as well. In this way, three columns on debit, three columns on credit, so that it would be called triple column cash book. But procedure is not different. It would be absolutely same. We will see cash, bank. If they are present on debit side in journal, same side means debit side would be chosen in cash book. I'm sure that you have understood the procedure. Let's start our question. So December 1st, cash is on debit side. So here we will write the date December 1st. Cash is present on debit side. How much amount it is? 3000. So you will put 3000 on debit side. Now we will see what is written on the opposite side. It's to balance. Just put balance over here in this way. December 1st entry has been completed and we are marking it as it has been completed. So this way we would feel little ease when you will mark it. Now December 1A is our next entry where bank is on debit side. Again we will choose December 1A where amount is present on debit side of bank. How much? 1,40,000 debit side of bank. Look at this, debit side of bank 140,000. And now let's see what was written on the opposite side. It is to balance, so just write down to balance. December 1A is also completed. We are going to mark it as it has been completed. Now let's see what December 2 is saying. This is very interesting entry. Please note it down. Discount and cash both are present. So first time you are entering this entry in triple column cash book. December 2 cash debit. So just come over here. December 2 cash is present on debit side. Now look at this. In front of cash is 19800. You are not concerned with 200. You are not concerned with 20,000. You are associated with the amount written in front of cash. So 19,800 you will put in cash. See the reference. As you can see, opposite of cash, remise is mentioned. So you will put to remise. Now you can see that nothing has been changed. But now here, please note it down. There is second element also, since we are making three column, triple column cash book. Discount is also present on debit side. So what you will do, you will come to the discount column and there you will write 200. And with this, what had happened? Our entry has been completed for cash and discount. Reference was same, remise. You have entered 19,800 and 200. Look at this, 19,800, 200. 200 discount, cash 19,800 for both. Reference is same, remise. December second entry is also completed, so we are going to mark it as it has been completed. Now let's see December 3rd. Please note it down. It's a contra entry. Both bank and cash are present at the same time. So there will be dual effects. First we will see bank is at debit side 10,000. The date is December 3rd and bank is present on debit side. Look at this, amount is 10,000 in front of bank, write down it, and now you can see what is written on the opposite side. Bank was debit, opposite side cash was written, so you will put to cash over here. Half part of this entry has been posted. Look, bank was debit, we have posted, but other part of this entry is cash. Cash is present on credit side 10,000. So here you will go to the credit side December 3rd. Cash is present on credit side. Look at this 10,000. So you will post it. And what is written on the opposite side? As we know, it is bank. I will let you see it. Look, cash was present on credit side, opposite side bank was written. It means this entry has been completed December 3rd. Let's mark it as it has been done. Now see December 4. There is only one item. Bank is present on credit side. December 4. Come over here. And at credit side of bank we will see it. Look, 50,000 is present on credit side. You will put it. It's time to see the reference of this entry. Look, what is written at the opposite side? It is purchase. So you will mention here by purchase. In this way 50,000 at credit side of the bank has been posted. We are going to mark it as it has been done. Now December 5. Look, it's very interesting. You can see that at debit or credit side, neither bank is present nor cash is present. So this entry would not be posted as December 5th. Please note it down. Sold goods to Amir on credit. Cash is not coming or going, bank is not increasing or decreasing. It means this entry would not be posted in triple column cash book. We will directly go and step forward to December 7 where cash is present on debit side. So let's come over here. The date which we are following is December 7 and at December 7 you can see cash is present on debit side. So let's come over here. How much cash is present? Look, 14,000 is present at debit side. You will put it 14,000. It's time to see its reference. Look, cash was debit. Amir is written on the opposite side. So you will put Amir over here. In this way, December 7 is completed. Now let's mark it as it has also been done. Now next entry is December 8 where cash is present on debit side. Here just put the date and cash is present on debit side. How much? 14,000. Put it on debit side. Let's see the reference of this entry. Cash was present on debit side. What is written on the opposite side? To sales. So just put to sales over here. In this way, December 8 entry is also completed. Let's mark it as it has been done. Now December 9. Again, it's very interesting. We have two elements, bank and discount. Bank is present on credit side December 9. Come over here, credit side, December 9, bank is present on credit side, how much? 19,600. So you will write 19,600 on credit side. Now it's time to see the reference. Okay, you can see that bank was present on credit side, and what is written on the opposite side? It's slim account payable. Bank credit side, and for reference you will see what is written on the opposite side. So you will put Salim over here, and you are needed to write by as well. So let's try if we can put by. No, we'll have to write it by ourselves, by Salim. So guys, in this way 19,600 is posted, but this is only bank side has been completed. Now we will see discount is also present at credit side. So you will choose credit side of December 9 here, and you will come to the discount side. And now look at this, discount was 400. Please note it down what we have done. Bank has been posted to the credit side, discount is also present on the credit side, but for both reference is same, Salim. That is why you can see 400 is also present at credit side of discount, bank is also present at credit side of cash book, and for both reference is same by Slim. December 9th entry is completed. So let's mark it as it has been done. Now December 11, you can see cash is present on credit side for December 11. So we will go to the credit side. Here we will write December 11, and we are related with credit side of cash. December 11, cash credit, how much amount? 1200. And now let's see the reference of December 11 is telephone charges. So just put telephone charges over here. December 11 is also completed. We are going to mark it as it has been done. Now December 13, where cash is present on credit side. December 13, cash is present on credit side 8,000. Just put the amount we have posted, and now see the reference. What is written on the opposite side? Purchase. So you will write purchase over here. December 13 is also completed. Let's mark it. And now December 9. Again, it's a contra entry. Why? Because both cash and bank both are present at the same time. December 19, first we will enter cash. Cash is on debit side. December 19, where cash is present on debit side, how much? 20,000. Put it. And now let's see the reference. What is written on the opposite side? Bank. So it's a contra entry to bank. You have posted, half part is completed. Second part is bank is present on credit side. So you will go over here. Just put the date December 19, and bank is present on credit side. 20,000 is the amount you have posted. Now see the reference. What is written on the opposite side? Cash, as it was a contra entry. Now there might be a question. We have written bank over here, and at different line we have posted cash. So you may write just parallel over here where I'm moving the cursor. You may write this entry over here, but if you want to present it little better, you may write it at any line you want. Alright guys, so December 19 entry has been completed. we are going to mark it. Now December 25, where bank is present on credit side. December 25, bank is present on credit side. How much amount? 1400. Put it. Now see the reference. Rent is written at opposite side. Put rent. December 25 entry is also completed. We are going to mark it, and now yes, it's the last entry, December 31, where cash is present on credit side. So December 31, cash is present on credit side. Look at this. How much amount? 300. Put it. And now see the reference. Stationery is written at opposite side. Put stationery over here. So guys, in this way, all entries are posted. We are now open to calculate the balance. For that purpose, first we will calculate cash balance. First step is to calculate the sum of both sides. So we have sum of debit side of cash, and now let's see sum of credit side of cash. Both steps completed, 70,000, 19,000. Now pick the larger sum, which is 70,800. So you are going to put it on total of both sides. Second step is completed. Now choose the smaller side. This is smaller side, and you will write here by balance. And how would you calculate balance? By subtracting smaller total from the larger total. Larger total is 70,800 and the smaller total was 19,500. Subtract it and you have got the first balance of cash. And look at this, cash balance 51300, and we have got 51300. In this way, our first balance is completed, and same steps would be followed for bank. First, we will calculate the sum, and we have only two items present on debit side. Sum of debit side calculated. Same procedure we will do for the credit side as well. Sum at credit side. Alright guys, both sum have been calculated. Now choose the larger sum, which is 150,000. It is 91 and here 150. So debit side is having larger sum. Put 150,000 on total of both sides of bank. We have done. Now choose the smaller side. It is 91. So here you will calculate the balance at smaller side by subtracting smaller sum from the larger sum. Larger sum is 150,000 and you will subtract smaller sum 91,000. So we have got 59,000 as bank balance, and here you can see bank balance is 59,000. Now the new thing is discount, and please note it down. You are not needed to calculate balance of discount. You will just going to calculate the sum. So here debit side of discount or discount allowed, there is only one item. So you will write 200, it is sum, and there is no need to calculate balance. And let's put border over here. That's all. Only sum of discount column you have taken, and you are not needed to calculate the balance, and that's all. Discount allowed or debit side discount, look at discount allowed is 200, and that's all. Then same, you will take the total of credit side or discount received. Only one item is present over here. You will write, just put border over here. So this is end of discount received as well. Let me show you the answer. Look, discount received 400. So that's all. In discount allowed or discount received, discount debit or credit, you are not needed to calculate the balance. Only sum of this column would be written over here and sum of discount received column would be written over here, and that's all. So guys, answers are matched with the book. Triple column cash book has been completed. The only thing which has been left is to brought down this balance. So we will write to balance and write down the balances. Cash balance is 5151300 and bank balance is 5900000. So that's all. Question has been completed. You are not needed to do anything more for discount. Only two balances have been brought down. This way you can see all journal entries completed. Our cash book is also completed, which is in front of you. Answers are matched and it means question has been completed. Though solution is in front of you, but I am requesting you to please practice it by yourself. It is better to solve this question for more than once, 2-3 times, as many times as you can do it, but do it in your practice session. So if you have any query, if you have any problem in understanding this question, though solution is available, but still I am requesting you, so if you have any question, you are very open to ask your queries, your problems, and share your questions through messages, text, or comments, or you can directly meet and share your discussions or misunderstandings. I am 100% sure that I'll be available to answer your questions. Thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.